Hi, let's discuss how to add two mixed numbers. By a previous video, we do know that this mixed number 5 and 1/3, that's really a shorthand way, condensed way of writing 5 plus 1/3. And similarly, the 6 and 2/5 is really 6 plus 2/5. So this is what we need to add. From the associative laws of addition and commutative laws of addition of fractions, we do know that if we can carry out addition, if we want to add 5 and 1/3 and 6 and 2/5, we can really carry out those addition in whatever way we want to group and in whichever way we want to add. So in other words, we really don't need this parentheses. Okay. And in fact, we can do this kind of regrouping. I could add the whole numbers 5 and 6 to get 11. And then I really need to only carry out 1/3 plus 2/5 and see what that is. So for that, I will simply use the addition formula for fractions that I discussed in another video, which we simply said is the denominator, the sum of these two fractions is another fraction whose denominator is the product of these two denominators. So that's 15. And the numerator is 1 times 5, 5 plus 2 times 3, which is 6. So in other words, we get 11 plus 11 over 15. And notice this is a whole number and this is a proper fraction. So we can once again condense it into this mixed number 11 and 11 over 15. So what we conclude is these two mixed numbers when added give us this mixed number 11 and 11 over 15. Let's look at another example now. Let's look at this example where we have to add the mixed number 2 and 8/9 to the fraction, proper fraction 7 over 9. So as we commented before, this mixed number is simply a shorthand notation for 2 plus 8 over 9, and we need to add to it 7 over 9. And here we notice what we have is two fractions that we need to add, and both of the fractions have the same denominator. So that's very nice, since by the addition formula, the sum of these two fractions is another fraction with the same common denominator of 9, and the numerator is simply adding 8 and 7, which we get 15. Now, be careful, we cannot condense this into a mixed number yet because we do not have a proper fraction here. So we can rewrite 15 over 9 as 1 plus 6 over 9. So that gives us 2, now you can add 2 and 1, we get 3, 6 over 9. And if you like, you might recognize 6 over 9 can be reduced. 3 is a factor of 6 and 9. So by the cancellation law of fractions, we can actually simplify 6 over 9 to get 3 and 2/3. So the conclusion is 2 and 8/9 added to 7/9 give us the mixed number 3 and 2/3. Thank you.